Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this hair and makeup look for you guys today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so the hair that I'm going to be installing today is from HerGivenHair. And this is their 14-inch coily unit. So you guys, right out of the packaging, this is what the wig looks like. It's already really curly, and the lace on this wig is very transparent, so you'll be able to do a lot with it. It's very stretchy as well, and the cap construction of this wig also is, it comes with 2 combs on the side. There is no comb in the back, but it does have the adjustable straps at the back if you need to adjust the wig to fit your head as well. So now I'm going to start prepping my head. So to hold my wig in place, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. So I put this around the perimeter of my head for where I'm going to be placing my wig at. And then I begin to just try to dry it with something that I can fan it with. And I go ahead and spray a second coat on there to make it have a better hold whenever I place the wig on. And you want to place the wig on when the spray gets tacky, not when it's still wet. Just place it on when it's tacky to the touch. So as you're placing the wig on your head, you want to press it into where you sprayed the Got To Be Glued at, and it's going to start to stick. That's what I mean when it say tacky, because once it's tacky, it starts to stick like tape to your head. So you'll know when it's ready. So now to make sure that it's secure, I'm going to go ahead and just tie the perimeter of my hair up until I get done with my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and then take it off at the end. So as usual, you guys, I'm going to be using the Cover FX cream concealer as my base, and I'm going to take this and apply it over both of my eyelids, and I'm going to set it and then start my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics palette by Sylvia Ganai, and I'm going to be starting with the color Sisterhood, and I'm just going to go into my crease area and just start blending this out. And now using the color Night Owl, I'm going to go into my outer V, and I'm just going to start working that into the outer portions of my eye all the way into the crease area, and I'm going to do this to the other eye as well. Now using the color Self Love, I'm just going to go ahead and start placing that on my eye, and then I'm going to go into the color Queen and work that all the way into the inner corners of my eye. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the color 545. For concealer today, I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Full Wear, and the first one is in the color 435 Cafe. And the second one is a little bit lighter than the first one, and it is in the color 420 Cocoa. And I decided to try out 2 concealers because, as you can see, the 435 Cafe will be more matched to my skin, and so I decided to try the 420 because it's a little bit lighter, and I want to bring out a little bit of brightness on my skin tone. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Naturally Neutral. Now back into my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to be using the color Unapologetic to line my eyes. Now I'm going to be doing my lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. Now it's time for the takedown. I'm going to take the scarf off, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin to unravel these twists and let you guys see what the final product looks like. Alright, you guys, I just want to give you guys the close-up of this hairline. Oh my god, I absolutely love this wig, y'all. Just look at this. And yeah, this is what it looks like with it all unraveled. This is the back of it. Just look at those curls. It looks so natural. And not to mention that this wig is very, very light as well, you guys. So I attempted a few styles with this wig just to show you how versatile it is. So here they are right here. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.